How to use Groupon promo codes online. Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use Groupon promo code. Groupon is a website which provides promo code for different websites and apps. If you type in Groupon promo codes, then on the result page you will see different links like this. I'm simply gonna tap on this link. Inside the website you can see different kind of promo codes that are available which you can use on the Groupon website. Tap on any code that you would like to use and click on copy code. Now click on the option view discount at Groupon. Now you will land to the Groupon official website. On the website, log in or sign up to your account. Once you are in the website, then you can redeem your promo code. Select your services that you would like to purchase. On the checkout section, you should see a promo code section. On that section, paste your code and redeem it. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.